The often overlooked impact of urban green spaces on community well-being is yet significant. In our fast-paced urban lives, these natural havens play a vital role in enhancing our quality of life. Urban green spaces, like parks and gardens, provide essential breathing spaces amidst the concrete landscape. They are not just areas of aesthetic beauty but also crucial for mental and physical health. Studies have shown that regular exposure to green spaces reduces stress, improves mood, and encourages physical activity, all of which are vital for a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, these green areas foster community interaction and engagement. They act as social hubs where people of all ages can come together, promoting a sense of belonging and community spirit. This is particularly important in urban settings where isolation and anonymity can be prevalent. In conclusion, urban green spaces are more than just patches of nature in our cities.
Coffee is a beverage that has not only energized individuals but also transformed societies. Coffee is not just a drink, it's a global phenomenon that has shaped economic, social, and cultural landscapes. Coffee's journey from ancient Ethiopian fields to European coffee houses highlights its profound impact. In the 17th and 18th centuries, coffee houses in London and Paris became hubs for intellectual and social gatherings, influencing political and philosophical discourse. They were places where ideas flourished, fostering an environment of innovation and exchange. Moreover, the coffee trade has played a significant role in the global economy. It has been a major commodity in international trade, influencing economies of numerous countries, particularly in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. The industry has also evolved with ethical considerations like fair trade and sustainable farming gaining prominence. In conclusion, coffee's role extends beyond being a morning staple. It has been a catalyst for social interaction, economic development, and cultural exchange, demonstrating how a simple beverage can have far-reaching global influence.
Today, I am excited to share the inspiring story of Amelia Earhart, a trailblazing aviator whose courage and determination broke barriers in the sky and paved the way for future generations. Her story goes beyond her achievements in aviation. It's a testament to the power of ambition and resilience. Amelia Earhart was not only the first female aviator to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, but she also set numerous flying records and championed the advancement of women in aviation. Her 1932 solo transatlantic flight was a remarkable feat that challenged the prevailing norms of her time and showcased her exceptional skills and bravery. Despite facing numerous obstacles, including societal expectations and technical challenges, Earhart remained undeterred. Her pioneering spirit was evident in her tireless efforts to promote aviation and women's rights, making her a role model and an icon of empowerment.
Let's unfold the realm of literature and its profound impact on society. Literature is not just an escape, it's a mirror that reflects our realities, a lens that sharpens our worldview. Literature fosters empathy. When we dive into the narratives of characters from diverse backgrounds, we live a multitude of lives. This vicarious experience enriches our understanding of others, bridging gaps across cultures and experiences. Furthermore, literature is a catalyst for social change. It has the power to challenge norms, to question policies, and to push boundaries. The works of authors like Harriet Beecher Stowe and George Orwell have spurred movements and reformed societies. As we engage with literature, let us recognize its role in shaping the contours of society. In the pages of books, we find the seeds of the future, sown with words that can move nations.
Today, we celebrate the life of Marie Curie, a woman whose brilliance in the realm of science illuminates the path for researchers and dreamers alike. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win in 2 different scientific fields. Curie's relentless pursuit of knowledge led to the discovery of 2 elements, polonium and radium. Her work not only expanded the boundaries of our understanding of radioactivity but also laid the groundwork for developing treatments for cancer. Despite facing societal barriers, her dedication to science never wavered. Marie Curie's legacy teaches us the power of perseverance and the impact of unwavering dedication to one's passion. Her story is a testament to the fact that relentless curiosity and resilience can break through the barriers of gender and social conventions.